Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Python Web Development Tutorial, Building a Web Application from Scratch. Introduction. Python is a versatile and popular programming language known for its simplicity and readability. In this tutorial, we will explore web development in Python, both with and without a framework. We'll cover the fundamentals of web development, including HTTP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and demonstrate how to build a basic web application. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You'll also need a text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, for coding. For this tutorial, we'll use Visual Studio Code. To start, we'll create a basic Python web server using the http.server module. Save this script as web_server.py and run it. You'll have a simple web server running at http://localhost 8000. Now, let's handle HTTP requests using Python's http.server module. You can customize the server behavior by subclassing basehttprequesthandler. Here's an example that responds with "Hello, world" for every request. To generate HTML and CSS dynamically, you can use Python string formatting. You can also include JavaScript for interactivity. For more complex web applications, you can use a web framework like Flask. Install Flask using pip install Flask and create a basic app. Conclusion. Python is a versatile language for web development, whether you're building a simple web server or a complex web application. You can choose to work without a framework or leverage frameworks like Flask or Django for more extensive projects. This tutorial provides a solid foundation to get started with Python web development. Explore further to build more robust and interactive web applications. ChatGPT.